right, you guys, this is our lesson 23, Finding Equivalent Fractions quiz. Put your number, name, and your goal at the top. If your goal is to get a P or an E or a fraction correct or a percent, whatever you like. All right, after you read each question, you're going to pause the video. And I know sometimes it goes to a different page while it's paused, but that's okay. If you want to unpause, just unpause. If you need to rewind, you can, I believe, click on the line at the bottom of the video that shows you where you're in the video. All right, number 1. Excuse me. Which pairs of equivalent fractions can be shown on the number lines below? Label all the tick marks on both number lines. So go ahead and do that. Count the pieces. That makes your denominator. Label all the tick marks. Then you're going to come down to each of these fractions and you're going to find them. You're going to go find 1/4 and 1/8. Are they equal on the number line? If so, circle A. If not, leave it alone. Then you're going to go find B, 3/4 and 7/8. So you're going to go find 3/4 and 7/8. If they're on the same spot in those number lines, then they're equal. You would circle it. If not, leave it alone. Go ahead and do that with the rest of the questions and then just pause the video and unpause when you're ready to move on to the next question. Number 7. Jane draws this model to show a fraction equivalent to 7. So she drew 7 whole candy bars. And you're going to have to write that as a fraction. So remember, your denominator is the number of pieces in each whole. Pause the video and do that. Number 3. Excuse me. Steve says that this model shows 3 one-whole candy bars. Oscar says that this model shows 3/3 of a candy bar. Who is correct? Explain how you know. So you need to choose your person, who is correct, and then write how you know. So somebody, blank is correct because you get points for restating. You get points for being correct, you get points for capitalizing, you get points for restating the question in your answer, and you get a point for punctuation. Pause the video and do that one. Number 4. Draw a point on the number line at the fraction equivalent to 1/3. So you already have a number line labeled with 1/6 pieces. You're going to have to label the second number line with 1/3 pieces. After you've labeled the number line, you are supposed to draw a point on the top number line that's equivalent to 1/3. So go label your thirds, then draw a point on the top number line showing what fraction is equal to 2/3, plot a dot at the tick mark on the top number line that's equivalent to 1/3. And then you're going to write your where you just plotted the dot down here, because it says which fraction on the top number line was equal to 1/3. So wherever you plotted your dot on the top, where you wrote you plotted a dot at how many 1/6 were equal to 1/3, you're going to write that fraction down here at the bottom. All right, when you're done, hold on to your quiz. You're going to grade it and read the directions. Make sure you work quietly while everybody finishes their quiz. Thanks.